Hey, Emily. What's up?
Hey, Sarah. I was just thinking, how about a fun night out?
That sounds interesting. What do you have in mind?
There's a new action movie playing at the cinema downtown. Everyone's talking about it.
An action movie? You know I usually prefer romantic comedies.
I know, but this one has amazing reviews. People say the story is fantastic, not just explosions and fights.
Hmm. I'm not really into loud, intense movies.
Come on, Sarah. Live a little. You always say you want to try something different.
You're right. I guess it wouldn't hurt to try something new.
That's the spirit. So, are you in?
Okay, let's do it.
Yay! I knew you'd say yes. Let's meet at the cinema at 7:30.
Perfect. Should we book the tickets online first?
Good idea. I'll check the website now.
Text me the link and I'll help you pick the seats.
Done. Give me a second to open it. Sarah, I'm on the cinema website now. There are 3 showtimes tonight: 6:30, 7:45, and 9.
Definitely not 6:30. That's too soon. Right. 7:45 seems perfect. It gives us time to get ready and maybe grab snacks before the movie. Agreed. Let's go with 7:45. Now, let's check the seating chart. The back row is almost full, the front row is completely empty, and the middle section still has some seats. Middle section for sure. Which row looks best? Row D is good, but row E has 2 perfect seats right in the center. Center seats are always the best. Exactly. I'm selecting seats E5 and E6. Great. Are they regular seats or premium? There are 3 types. Regular seats are $12 each, premium are $15, and luxury recliners are $20. $20? That's a bit too much just to watch a movie. I agree. The regular ones are fine for us. Okay, let's stick with regular then. Now, should I book online or just buy them at the counter? Definitely online. Remember last time when we didn't book ahead? Oh yes, we almost had to sit apart. Exactly. I don't want that to happen again. All right, online it is. Before I continue, let me double check everything. 2 tickets, today at 7:45 p.m., row E, seats 5 and 6. Looks perfect to me. There's also an option to add snacks now. Small popcorn, large popcorn, nachos, drinks. Let's just buy snacks at the cinema. I like seeing the sizes first. Good idea. Tickets only then. Sounds good. Should I use my card or do you want to split the payment? You can pay with your card and I'll give you cash when we meet. Works for me. Entering card details now. Oh, wait, there's a promo code section. Should I check for discounts? Definitely. Sometimes they have weekend deals. There's a student discount, but we need valid IDs. Too bad mine expired last year. Same here. Okay, no discount this time. Proceeding with full price. That's fine. Payment submitted, processing, and done. Yay! We're officially going to the movies tonight.
I'll forward you the confirmation emails so you have a copy too.
Perfect. You never know when your phone might die.
Exactly.
What time should we meet there?
Let's meet at 7:20 so we have plenty of time to buy popcorn and find our seats.
Sounds perfect. Emily, are you on your way?
Almost there. The traffic is terrible tonight.
Don't worry, I'm already outside the cinema waiting near the entrance. I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Sarah finally made it. Sorry I'm late.
It's okay, I just arrived myself.
Ready to go inside?
Absolutely, but first, popcorn?
Definitely. A movie without popcorn is just wrong.
Hi, can we get 1 large popcorn, a small nachos, and 2 sodas, please?
Sure, that will be $15.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your movie.
Thanks. Okay, let's find our seats. Row E. Here it is.
E5 and E6, right in the middle. Perfect.
I love this view.
So do I. Now, let's get comfortable before the trailers start.
Oh my gosh, Emily, did you see that?
Shh, don't spoil it for the others.
Sorry, but that scene was so intense.
I told you this movie would be amazing.
I can't believe what just happened.
It's only going to get better, trust me.
That ending, I didn't see it coming at all.
Right? It totally blew my mind.
I was holding my breath the entire time.
Same here. The suspense was unreal.
I think this might be the best action movie I've ever seen.
And you didn't even want to come at first.
I admit it, you were right.
So, what did you think of the main character?
I loved how complex he was. At first, I thought he was selfish, but then you realize he's just trying to protect his family.
Exactly. That twist about his brother blew me away.
I never saw that coming.
Same here. It was brilliant writing.
We should do this more often.
Agreed. How about movie night every Friday?
Deal. But next time, we're watching a romantic comedy.
Fine, but only if there's at least one explosion. Deal.
Thanks for inviting me tonight, Emily.
You don't need to thank me. I had so much fun.
I really needed this break.
Me too. It's nice to just escape reality for a couple of hours.
Exactly.
Are you free next Friday?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. Then it's a date.
I'll pick the movie this time.
Fair enough.
Good night, Emily.
Good night, Sarah. Sweet dreams.
Here are some useful words you can use when talking about going to the cinema. These words will help you understand and talk about buying tickets, choosing seats, and enjoying a movie night. Cinema, a place to watch movies. Example, let's go to the cinema tonight. Ticket, paper or code to enter a movie. Example, I bought 2 movie tickets online. Showtime, time when a movie starts. Example, the showtime is at 7:45 p.m. Seats, where you sit in the cinema. Example, our seats are in the middle row. Booking, reserving something in advance. Example, we are booking our tickets online. Popcorn, popular snack made from corn. Example, I always eat popcorn at the cinema. Payment, giving money for something. Example, the payment was made by credit card. Discount, paying less than full price. Example, students get a discount on tickets. Confirmation, proof that something is booked. Example, I received a confirmation email. Snacks, small food you eat between meals. Example, we bought snacks before the movie.